Hey Math Masters, welcome back to Neil Explains. Today we have this tricky math question. Try to solve within 10 seconds and comment your answer. Your time starts now. Okay, time's up. Here we have this question. If you have already solved this question, then try to solve another one. 7 plus 2 times 50 divided by 1 by 2 minus 100. So here addition, multiplication, division and subtraction. There are four operations are there. We will use here order of operations. And as we can see that multiplication division is same priority, and here we can see there is multiplication division, and we have to solve that in that case left to right. And here we go 7 plus, first we will go for this multiplication part, which is 2 times 50 will give result 100 divided by 1 by 2 minus 100. And when we solve this, we will better use KCF rule here. And here KCF stands for keep change flip. 100 will be written as it is, and this division will be changed to multiplication, and we will flip this 1 by 2 into 2 times 1 minus 100. Now 7 plus 100 times 2 will give result 200 minus 100. And again there are two operations, that is addition and subtraction. So again we have the same priority, so we will do left to right. 7 plus 200 will give result 207 minus 100, and ultimately this will give result 107, which is the right answer to question number 1. And moving to the next question, we have 7 minus 7 divided by 7 times 2. This is also same type of question. 7 minus 7 divided by 7 times 2. There are three operations: subtraction, division and multiplication. And here we will do again left to right operations. 7 minus 7 divided by 7 will give result 1 times 2, and 7 minus 1 times 2 will give result 2, and 7 minus 2 will give result 5. So for the second question we have answer 5. And subscribe us for more videos like this if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.